Hi, today we're taking a look at the wireless HD extender. You can use it with setup box, your PC, laptop, gaming consoles, DVR, and more. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you're getting. So this is what they look like. Reset button, Type-C port, HDMI port. And you might be wondering, well, what is this? Like, what's the point of this? Well, this is so you don't actually have a cable. You simply plug one into an HDMI port. You then plug your other one into another HDMI port. And that allows you to be cableless, which is pretty cool, my friends. You get a manual. They give you two HDMI cables. Now, this is two female HDMI ports going into two male HDMI ports. So you would plug your male into the female for an extended. They also do supply you some more accessories as well in the box that you might need for whatever you're hooking up. In the manual, we can quickly go over a couple things, and parent time takes 18 to 22 seconds, but the whole manual, and you can pause it here if you want to, if you lose your manual, just pause it here so you can see this video again. But it goes over everything, goes over your steps and everything to make it possible. Hey guys, so we have the HDMI receiver. We got it connected, so instead of running too many cables, at the top we have our normal cables, but we got it running over here for multiple monitors. We got this monitor, we got that monitor, we also have another one, but we got some info that we don't want to show. But yeah, we got them all connected and we don't have any issues with the HD wireless. Now, we don't have all these connected to it. We just have this main one connected to it. These other ones, I was able to use other cables for them, but definitely love it.